to show you how to play the 19th century gospel classic hymn, Did You Think to Pray? If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of F, and the melody starts on an A. A, B flat, A, G, F, C, F, G, G, B flat, A, G, 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 F, G, A, C, A, B flat, A, G, F, D, F, E, F, G, A, F. And then we've got that refrain chorus where we've got C, C, D, C, B, C, F, C, A, C, D, C, B flat, A, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, D, F, E, F, G, A, F. And then we'll go right to the introduction. For an introduction, all I'm going to give you is a 5-7 in F, the key of F. A 5-7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is on C. So 5-7 is C, E, B, G, B flat, 1, 3, 5, 7. So I'm going to play that in the left hand. And then just play the triad in the right hand. So C, E, G, B flat, C, E, G, which leads right into A, the melody. C, so it'll just come right. And then once we get to the melody, we're going to have open fifth in the bass on F, F, C, F, and right to a C, F, A, F chord. Now the F chord is F, A, C, but I'm already got the C in the bass, so I'll just put the F in the middle. And then we go right into the C, E, G, and then we'll play that arpeggio, the F7 or the C7 arpeggio again, and then back to a C chord. And then this next time I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to break that arpeggio up to F, C, A, because I end up with a C in the melody, and that A sounds nice with it, and that leads me right into the F chord again. Then to a B flat chord, B flat, and then the D, F, then the C, then the E, G, C chord, and F, C, F. That gets us through the bass of the verse. So here we go. And I'll go slowly so you can see every note. Right there, the C goes with the F chord. Then the C arpeggio. See, I don't need the B flat there because I've got it in the melody. There I do the arpeggio, and then we've got the C chord still. Here it is. See, that sounds better than to play the F. Doesn't sound as good, but when you go up to that A, it just fills it out nicely. Then you're set for in the left hand for this chord. Then we've got, that's a B flat, D and F. And see, in the right hand we're playing a D and an F right there. C chord. What you do there is you just arpeggiate in the left hand, F, C, F, come down and hit an A, C, and F. And then for the chorus, you go up to a C right there. Now we're going to play in the left hand, F, C, F. Now there again, this time we're going contrary motion, but we'll do that F, C, A, F, C. Now you're not setting up for this. You could go to that, but I go back to the F, C, F. So here we go slowly. Hesitate and then hit this up the 7th arpeggio. Now here you can hit the chord, or I have it broken down B flat, D and F, F. So Now I do like to hold back those pickup notes a lot of times, so you'll hear it now. You'll hear it the way I played it. Just to hold it and make people wait for that pickup to come down. And then I've got a final tag. I just repeat that last line and slow it down and add the 7th. Now see, I'm going C, E, G, hesitate, and then the 7th right there. Now here we've got F, F, C, F, A, C, F, A, C, F, pause, and then... Now you don't have to roll that top chord if you don't want to. You can end it. You can end it just like that. Or you can add this at the top. 19th century gospel classic hymn, Did You Think to Pray? Hope you enjoy it.